fly. For my first experience flying the Parrot line of drone, personally I really like it. Hello 10K Walker here. I'm so excited today because just now I got a brand new drone. Yeah! And I finished charging the drone, so I'm coming out to this my favorite park to fly my drone. Hopefully I don't lose it today. Let's fly. The new drone that I got is the Parrot Minidrone. This is the Maclane model. This one has the LED light function, so you can fly it in the evening, turn on the light, it'll be very bright. When you turn on the LED light, it's very bright. It's almost like a flashlight that can fly, a flying flashlight. You can also turn into the flashing mode. So it's almost like you are in a nightclub and the lights going crazy. And you can also use the dim and turn on, dim, turn on. That's also very cool effect. So this is a very nice little drone. Without the propeller guard, you can fly for about 9 minutes. With it, maybe 6-7 minutes. Yeah, I took out the propeller guard, so now it looks smaller and it can fly longer. The coolest thing about this drone is you can hand launch. You press the launch button and then just throw into the air. So I press the launch button and throw in the air. Let's see. The reason that this drone is beginner friendly because it has the one touch takeoff button and one touch land, which is good. Because with other manual drone, you have to learn the throttle, which will take a while. So now let's take it off. And this drone has the altitude hold function so that it will hold its altitude, and that makes it beginner friendly. And this drone is very quiet. It doesn't make like loud noise, which is good because I don't want to get attention from people when I'm flying there. And let me turn on the LED light so you can see. See, now the LED light is on. So when you are flying in a complete darkness, this is very cool. And you see it's very stable. It holds the altitude very well, holds its position very well. And now I'm going to land. One touch landing. It's pretty easy to fly. There, it's doing the fast spinning. Getting low battery alert. 6% battery. See, it's very quiet. I really like it. And this drone has some kind of a sonar system, like you can see at the bottom here. And if you put this to your ear, you can hear the beeping sound. Beep, 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 beep. And the computer inside analyze it, use that sound coming back to analyze its altitude and its location, and make it stable and balanced. And now I'm going to turn on the dimming effects. Look at that. It's very, very cool. And now I'm going to try the flashlight effect. See? Now it's flashing. So when you do this flying in the complete darkness, it's really, really cool. when it's flashing in the dark, boom, 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 and then you fly around. If you look at the bottom here, there is also a camera, and it's like 0.3 megapixel. So although you can take picture, the straight down picture, but the image quality is really low. So this is pretty cool. My first experience flying the Parrot line of drone. It's a very beginner friendly. For around $100, this is probably the best and the easiest to fly. Pretty cool. This one takes about 25 minutes to charge. The altitude hold function is very stable. With Parrot drone, it's very easy to do trick. And all you have to do is choose what kind of trick you want to do, and then double tap on the screen. Here, I want to do the back flip, and then I double tap. There, it do the flip very easily. That's a very quick demo of this drone. It's a very fun beginner drone. It's not too loud. It's fast to charge, interchangeable battery, easy to learn. If you are thinking getting into the drone, this is a very good beginner drone to learn with. One button takeoff, one button land, and you just control with your cell phone. You don't have to charge a controller, and the camera is just for fun. The quality is too low. All in all, this is a good choice for beginner drone to learn how to fly. And once you become comfortable with it, you can get a bigger drone which gives you more function with GPS, with return home function, and with higher quality of photos and videos. So this is 10K Walker. Thank you for watching my review video. Give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.